How we doing, folks? Another garage sale haul video. First things first, this is fan type windmill made in Hong Kong, vintage. Hooks up to a 9-volt. I'll show you that later, demonstrate that. Also, this little guy, it's not marked on the bottom what it is, but I'm assuming same thing. They need to be cleaned up, as you can see. The motor's different from the other one, but I'll research it some more. By the way, any of the stuff I'm about to show you is up for grabs if anyone is interested. I'm over on Instagram if you want to hit me up. Next item, this Dremel, real good condition, comes with accessories. You got the cutter over there. This one, it's got cracks on the screen, but in really good condition. I did clean this up, put some batteries in it. She works. 1994 through 1996, Garmin GPS, personal GPS. Nice little unit right here. On to the next one. How about, speaking of finding your way around, here's a basic little compass, engineer directional compass. However, it's made in China. Not many people want this type of thing, but it does work. It's in really good condition. By the way, shout out to the blue gloves. They're on deck today. Another little cool find. Nice and rusty, just how we like it. Really good condition. Not sure what year it is, but there's a mark in there. Just noticed that. Kent. Anyways, that's that. And let's go on to this one. Radio Shack Electronics Learning Lab. Brand new. Comes with this here. All the capacitors and components and whatnot. Wires, chips. Also comes with 2 books. Workbook number 1, workbook number 2. Your basic logic project. I do have the original box for all this as well. And lastly is this cool German knife. Has a whale on it. Shout out to the whale. Appears to be plastic handles. Now you know where I'm wearing the gloves, right? So I can do this type of thing. Zoom, much easier. Now zoom, close-ups. Snaps like a turtle. Whoop. That ain't good. Definitely like a turtle. There it is. You hear that? Really cool find. Anyways, that's all I have for today. It wasn't that much out there. I appreciate you guys and gals coming in, taking a look at this quick haul video. Do you know where I am? Still searching. I gotta go outside for this. Anyways, did I end up? Yeah, I ended up grabbing a plant as well. I'll show you that after. Really cool plant. And I'll show you that as well. Thanks for coming in again. You guys and gals have a good one. Until the next one. Cheers.